Secrets of success. Sleep less. This is one of the best investment you can make to make your life more productive and rewarding. Most people do not need more than 6 hours to meaning maintain an excellent set of health. Try getting to up 1 hour earlier for 21 days, and it will develop it into a powerful habit. Remember, it is the quickly, not the not the quality of sleep that is important. And just imagine heavy and extra 30 hours a month to speed on the things that are important to you. Number two, set aside 1 hour every morning for personal development matters. Meditate, visualize your day, read inspirational text to set the tone of your day. Listen to motivational tapes or read great literature. Take this quiet period to vitalize and energize your spirit for the productive day ahead. Watch the sunrise on a week or be with nature. Starting the day off will is a powerful strategy for self renewal and personal effectiveness. Number three, do not allow these things that matter the most in your life be at the mercury of activities that matter the less every day. Take the time to ask yourself the question: is this the best use of my time and energy? Time management is life management, so credit your time with great care. Number four, use the rubber and band method to condition your mind to focus solely on the most positive elements in your life. Place a rubber band around your wrist each time a negative energy sapping sa- energy sapping thought enter enter to enter of continuation you mind with associate pain with negative thinking, and you will soon possess a strongly positive mindset. Number 5, always answer the phone with enthusiasm in your voice and show your appreciation for the caller. Good phone manners are essential to conveniently on the line. Stand up. This will install water con- confidence in your voice. Number 6. Throughout the day, we all get inspiration and excellent ideas. Keep a set of cards the size of business card available most standard stores in your wallet along with a pencil to just down this in inside when you get home, but the ideas in a central place such as a call notepad and review them from time to time as noted by Oliver Wendell Holmes. One's mind once distracted by a new idea never gains its original demand. Section number 7. Set aside every Sunday evening for yourself and be strongly disciplined with this habit as this period to plan your week, visualize your account and what you were to achieve to read new materials and inspirational book to instant to soft soothing music and to simply relax. This habit will serve as you a chore to keep you focused, motivated, and effective throughout the coming week. Number 8. Always remembers the key principle that the quality of your life is the quality of your communication. This means the way you communicate with others, and more importantly, the way you communicate with yourself. What you focus on is what you get. If you look for the positive, that is what you get. This is fundamental law of nine. Number 9. Stay on purpose, not on outcome. In other words, do the task because it is what you love to do or because it will help someone or is a valuable exercise. Don't do it for the money or the recognition. This will come naturally. This is the way of the world. Number 10. Leg for 5 minutes in the mirror each morning. Morning restrict maintain those at activities. Many beneficial chemicals within the body that place us into very joint state. Laughter also relates the body to a state of balance, leather strap on pen regularly used to help processions with varied or, or elements and is a wonderful times for lives else while the accurate 4 years old length 500 times 5,000 times a day. The average adult is lucky to let Panra 15 times a day revitalize the habit of lecture it will but far more living into your life.